Assalamu alaikum, back again. I'm gonna in this part I'm just gonna review what we have done earlier. I just wanted to summarize and give you some hints how you can basically make these problems easier on you. For example, in problem 2b, they give you 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and then 1 4 over 5. So always do the line segment and then 0 1 1/2. Always break down 4 over 2. 4 over 5 is equal 4 times 1 over 5. So always remember, this is already simplified. You cannot simplify it anymore. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that this is 1 over 5. So 4 times, so you're going to divide this by 5 sections. Let's say this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So this is 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5, 5 over 5. So 4 over 5 is actually here. Okay. So 4 over 5 is greater than 1/2. Okay. That means this one is greater. Since this is equal, we're not gonna worry about it. But if we throw it in the line segment, it's gonna be 0, 1, 2. This is 1 over 2. This is 1, which is 2 over 2. And this is 3 over 2. Same as 1, 1/2. Okay? 1, 1/2 is the same as 2 over 3. Remember this one. Okay? So this is just like a review. Now I'm gonna move on to the other, like if they give you 12 over 9, this one you can do it like 12 times 1 over 9, and then it's gonna be really long to cut the whole segment. You can do it. You can cut the whole segment into 9 pieces, like 1 over 9, 2 over 9, 3 over 9, until 8 over 9, until 9 over 9, which is 1. So 0 and 1. You can do it this, and then this is 9 over 9, and then you're gonna move on. If this is 0, this is 1, let's say this is 2, then it's gonna be, this is like 10 over 9 all the way to, actually it's gonna be to 18 over 9. So what's 18 over 9? 18 over 9 is equal 9 times 2 over 9, and then you cancel out the 9. You're gonna end up with 2. Remember, 18 over 9 is just 2. This is how you simplify it. Okay, moving on. Again, but this is like the long way, but to do it, like 9 is 12 over 9, but you can also 12 over 9, you can also write it like 4 times 3, it's 12, right? And then 3 times 3 is 9. Then you can simplify it. How do you simplify it? You cancel out 3, and then you're gonna end up with what? With 4 over 3, which is 4/3. So now instead of 12 over 9, 12 over 9 is the same as 412, but this 4/3 is better. Okay, 4/3 in the line segment is more than 1 because the denominator is greater than the denominator. So then if this is like 0, this is 1, this is 2. 4/3 or 4/3 is equal 4 times 1/3. So what is 1/3? 1/3 is when you cut the from 0, always from 0 to 1. That's the one you want, you cut it because it's ones. This one, I want you to remember this, please. I'm gonna do it in a different color so you can remember. This one here is related to this one here, to this one here, and this 3 here, this 3 here is related to what you're gonna be cutting this line. So 3, you cut in 3 sections. 1 represent this one. So 1 is this. So that means that's what it means. It means this 1. It means this one section, you cut it into 3 pieces. That means 1 into 3 pieces. That's why 1/3, this 1/3, like this 1/3 is a section, is a fraction. That's why it's called fraction. Is a fraction of this one. So if you understand this, everything else will be just very straightforward. Okay. And then on the next page, they give you some comparison. For example, you compare 2/5 with 6/8, 6/8. So don't let this scare you. This is super easy. Always, I'll make a different color. Always this 5 in the bottom or 8 in the bottom in the denominator represents how much you're gonna cut. For example, for this 8, you're gonna cut the line segment from 0 to 1 into 8 pieces. For this one, you're gonna cut from 0 to 1 into 5 pieces. Okay, I'm gonna do it in different color. This is 8 pieces, so maybe this is 4. 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So this is like 8 pieces. So this is 1/8 all the way. This is 5 over no, 1/8 2 3 4 4. This one is 4/8. The one in the middle, is 4/8, which is what? 4/8 is equal what? 1/2. Same thing, 1/2. And this is 5/8, and this is 6/8. So 6/8 is this one. Okay, for the other one, you're gonna cut it into 5 pieces. So you start like this: 1 2 3 4 5. So this is like 5 pieces. So this is 1/5, 2/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and then 5/5, right? So we just need 2/5. 2/5 is here, so we can tell that 2/5 is less. You can compare them from here and do a different color. See, 2/5 is here, and then 6/8 is here. So 6/8 is greater. If you can use this strategy with all the numbers, it's gonna be easy. This is if it's if the denominator is less than the but how about if it's greater, it's gonna be over 1. It's gonna be greater than 1. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here, and hopefully it's clear. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.